Actually, reworking is not the word you're looking for. Reworking would imply taking existing code and modifying that. I think a better word is porting. Photogenic male. I'll have you know. Anyway, hello Isaiah. Hello Photogenic. How are you two doing today? I have a bit of bad news that I'll let you two know, because you're the special first two people here, is that this is going to be a shorter stream. I'm so sorry. And look who is back! Yes, hello. I almost didn't, but here I am. I made it work. Praise me, Isaiah. You know, I always get shit for not streaming, but where's my anti-shit for not streaming? You ever think about that? I only have 30 minutes. Oh, yeah, I forgot Sundays. Aw, damn, I'm sorry, Isaiah. I'm sorry I didn't stream last time. Let's go! Hello, Red Rabbit. Little does they know, a secret third person now knows. What does that mean? Red Rabbit? Do you know? Are you now informed? Are you aware? Have your brain become bigger? Which one of the? Why do I have so many Godot's open? I might need a water. 4.7. Yeah. This. Oh, there's my Zed. I can't open it like this though, because it doesn't have the things. It doesn't have the things ready. Good job, Summerand. I'm so proud of you. Thank you. Exactly. Thank you. Also, sorry. Can you hear my mic arm all squeaky and shit when I move it around a bunch? Can you hear this? There's no way you can't hear that, right? Actually, it's not looking that bad on the aux bar thing. No, but I know another rabbit. Oh, and also my formal apologies for doubting you about the 6-7 thing. What? What does that mean? I accused of not doing it, but you in fact did, therefore I'm really sorry. So you have to remind me. 6-7. Oh, the redeem! I so don't care. I literally so didn't care. I knew I did it. I knew I could obliterate you live in 4K one day, so it did not bother me at all. It did not bother me in the slight. Fuck you mean you don't care? I don't. It's true. Anywho, I talked about this on Patreon a little bit, but I'm porting my whole physics engine because I'm actually not porting my physics engine because I'm still using Rapier. But like I'm just using Rapier Godot instead of Rapier. And it's a whole complicated thing. And I don't know if I can make it work. But right now, at the very least, I have it so that the platforms can hold me and they can push me. And the pushing part is the important part. I'm the third person. Blue Rabbit. Oh my God. Who are you? Thank you for the first time chat. How's it going? There's quite more than a few. There's way more than than 3 people now. But sure, yes. Welcome. You know, I like third person. I am a third person platformer making person. Who is this? Look, whoever it is, all you need to do is follow to increase my number. And that's what I lost my rotation though. I still my roll. Okay, still have that. I lost my rotating on like platforms when I ported over. Because I ported to my my Silly Witch platformer code, which has a lot of the stuff I want to do today, which is the wall jumping and the ledge grabbing and all that stuff. So I should be able to like have that done. I just need to copy and paste that code over. And so that's the goal for today, is to make my game feel like a real platformer. So next Game Dev Week devlog, I can be like, yo, check out how platformy my platformer is. Now we need to get the RGB. Oh, I should show you my hat. I dyed my hat RGB and it actually came up pretty sick, but it's really hard to do because my hat is synthetic, which means I have to hold it over fucking boiling water for hours to get like multiple colors on it. Double ads. Get. Also, GG Sir banned for view inflation. Nuh-uh. That's an authentic new person that has joined chat. Hello, hi. How are you? Let me make sure my YouTube's working. Oh yeah, YouTube's going. There's even a viewer right now on YouTube. Hi, YouTube viewer. Come to Twitch. I don't talk on YouTube. Idea for a puzzle: snakes and ladders, but you control the board for a key. Red Rabbit. What? What does that mean? I'm not sure what you're saying. I don't know what that means. I'm sorry. Hello, Zed. Zed? Oh my god, sorry, Zed's my text editor. I don't... Sorry, Fanny, you came in right when I opened Zed, my text editor, so my brain wires got crossed. Okay, Zed, no, Zed, Z-E-D. It's the name of this code editor we're using. I hate it here. I'm so mad I missed your stream today. I was like half awake and I was like, oh, I gotta go to Fanny, and then I like fell asleep before I could get out of bed and open my computer. But I hope you had a good time. Fucking. I returned. Please continue. Oh, perfect. You didn't miss anything. Oh my god. Oh, it's the beloved. It's the legendary lion barrel. Holy shit. Everyone, can we, what do you even fucking do? Please spam the bow emote for lion barrel, please. Where is it? It's this one. Oh my god. Lion barrel. Hello. How are you? Coming to stream hearing and crow die. What is it? Hearing and crow dying. Is that like a thing that means something? I don't know what that means. But hello! How are you? Wait, sir, when are you disabling pre-roll ads? Oh my god! Okay, well, let's find out. God, okay, I hope I don't leak anything important. But let's turn off pre-roll ads right now, shall we? We go to monetization, ads. What's it say right here? Pre-roll ads. Pre-roll ads for incoming viewers. Fully disabled. Am I doing something wrong? I have it fully disabled. I have the minimum amount of things I can do to fully disable this. So I don't know what you're talking about, because I have. Is this? Am I wrong? Is it not disabled? I feel like the ads at the start happen as frequently as anyone else, right? Am I, like, please correct me if I'm wrong. Please let me know. Should it be manual? I feel like this is, I don't know. I mean, this is like the same thing, right? Right, I don't know. Can you give me an example of a streamer that has not pre-rolls? And hold on, I can't even see chat right now because I'm on this other page. But you see what I'm saying? Leaking ad length and frequency automatic. I don't know what you're doing, but I got 2 ads within the span of 5 minutes. Yeah, I have mine manual. Okay, I mean, I could try setting mine to manual, and then maybe that would like... Wait, where is it? Where's my... Oh, it's monetization, not moderation. I can set it to manual, and then now it's set to manual mode. Maybe that fixes it? I don't know. Maybe? I'm not sure. Yo, what is it, motherfuckers? Oh, thank you for the 3-stream streak. Ad length, I don't know. No, I just misspelled crow. But what are you trying to spell then? You just said crow again. I think you're joined. The Syrup God won. Oh my god, welcome back. Like your emote. Wait, hold on, I gotta catch one chat. I guess you don't just get revenue for the ads anymore, only Twitch does. Also, I think you can say the first ad on stream to be 30 minutes from the stream start. Maybe? Let me check ads again. Wait. Pre-roll ads, keep pre-roll ads, disable pre-roll ads when I run ads, okay. Pre-roll ads, notifications, okay, stream display ads. Revenue share for ad, okay, no. Is it just that streamers manually delay the ads at the start of stream? And that's just like the strategy and that I'm not employing? That seems a little crazy, right? But I can snooze 3 times at the start of stream. But I don't see like an option for that, to do it automatically. Pretty sure when I run 3 minutes an hour on purpose, it disables pre-rolls. I haven't ever heard anyone complain about coming in on an ad. What is it, Rapid? What it is, Rapid? A chicken has been added to the stream. Oh my god, I forgot to disable that. Oh, the ugly chicken that isn't positioned right. Okay. Cool, sick, awesome. Advanced settings, ad delay. Oh shit. Okay, ads. Advanced settings. Oh my god! Oh! Izera, you're a genius. You're a fucking genius. Oh shit, it's right here. Oh my god, what's happening? Muno Game just subscribed for 8 months? Wait, do you mean like you just, like you have an 8-month streak? Hold on, I gotta get back to chat, give me a sec. Oh, we're like learning stuff. Auto snooze ads during high engagement moments. Okay, ad-free viewing. Last yeah. Okay, wow. All right, there we go. Sorry, Izera. I guess I'm still a Twitch noob. I don't know things, but there you go. All right, fixed. Moon, do you have this on? Do you know about this? Were you aware? Your thing isn't even in chat. I don't know. I don't even know what your sub was. But thank you for, chicken line build with the +1 chicken. This is my ad setup. No one told me. No one fucking told me. Are you kidding me? I mean, thank you, Isaiah. You told me. And that's what matters. Am I aware of ads? Huh? No. Aware of doing the ad delay thing. Where at the start of stream, you delay to 30 minutes instead of 5 minutes. Okay. Zero advanced setting that. Yeah, I can set very hour or pre-roll. First ad delay equals 30 minutes. Okay. I'm high on crack. I want to try Pac-Man meme. Well, it's almost like me complaining to have 2 ads within 5 minutes. And guess what that number says? 5 fucking minutes. Isaiah! It wasn't in the settings page. I didn't know. It wasn't there. Twitch's like extra settings feature, where it's like just a block that you can barely even see. Is so I've talked about this before. Twitch's settings layout is so fucking horrendous. It is unbelievable, and there's not even like a search I can use to like look through them all. I hate it so much. Oh my god! Thank you for the 10 bits line, bro. I'm sorry that doesn't do anything. I am professional. No, but I don't know about ads. Hey everyone, Moonman! Woo! Whoa! Moon. Okay, we gotta like get to work. Like I said at the start, for the early viewers, this is gonna be a short stream, so I gotta get moving. Gotta get moving. Which means I need to go to. Oh my god, hello, Pawn. Oh hey, Pawn. I think I had it set to up like for ads. I think it's 30 or 45 minutes till the first ads run. 30 is the max. So yeah, it's probably 30. Oh my god! Wait, I can't read that message. I got stuff in my way. Please stop complaining about Twitch. Jeff Bezos is on the way to your residence to ban you physically and spiritually. Okay, we gotta shut. We gotta shut up about Twitch. We gotta shh. Thank you for the highlight message, Fanny. What is that? What is this again? That's like that's not the highlight message, because a highlighted message has like a highlight behind the text, but this is like a special bit message. If you can get 45 minutes with Dark Magic, let us know. Everyone is gathering after stream drought. Oh, y'all. You know, that I have everyone here, I also have another announcement to make, which I'm really, really sorry about. Like, I'm really, really, really sorry, y'all, but, starting tomorrow, I'm going on a week-long backpacking trip. I wasn't sure what the timing was going to be, because it was dependent on when my father, who's going through the Appalachian Trail, it was going to make it to the Shenandoah Mountains. But he's here, which means I backpacked through 100 miles of Shenandoah Mountains this week, which means for the next week, there will be no streams. So I apologize for the short notice. It is what it is. I surely have mentioned this before at some point, but yeah, so I know, I'm sorry, but it's okay, Moon. That's because when I'm gone, you can entertain the masses, okay? You got my back. Unfollowing on all accounts. I'm sorry. Look. I'll record some stuff. I'll make like a little vlog so you all can enjoy my time. Actually, no, I promised the Patreon I'd make them a vlog, so I have to do something else for y'all. Did I make that promise? I forgot. I gotta do something because I'm not gonna have any updates for the next. Well, that's why I gotta do all my stuff now, so I have some game dev updates to accomplish during this week. Did they follow the whistles? What does that mean? Broken Hobbit. Honestly, for real. And I'm not looking forward to it. I'm kind of scared. You gotta touch grass without us. I already did this month, though. I did a 50K, and it hurts. Now I got to do 100 miles, which is triple the length of a 50K, if you don't know. But yeah. All right. So here's my code. There's a lot of comments because I commented out all the native rapier stuff and replaced it with Godot. I'm gonna go ahead and commit this, and I'm gonna clean up all these freaking comments. GitHub, desktop, and then don't get eaten by snakes. I've been telling people I'm gonna eat a snake on the trail. So if that happens, the snakes are the ones that are in danger. They don't know what's coming for them. Apparently, you just put it on a stick and roast it over a fire. Do not eat snake! No, fan, this isn't Australia. Oh, I'm sorry, New Zealand, or, same thing. This isn't a place where all the snakes are gonna kill you if you eat them. We have normal snakes here. Oh, snakes are my favorite animal. Why do you like this? Okay, that's also fair. Yeah, we don't have snakes here. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. I don't know. I mean, pigs are like one of my favorite animals, but you know how that is. They all get slurped up. Where's my thing? Okay, here it is. Oh my god, what are all of these? Okay, I gotta add a get ignore. Hold on. For Godot Rapier, let me add my thing. It's gonna be for this add-on. Okay, like that. No! Default cube! No! Look, I haven't even eaten the snake yet! It's not fair! It's not fair. Horror stories relating to Appalachian Mountains included whistling. Oh, is Shenandoah in the Appalachian Mountains? I guess it has to be, right? Appalachians are... Yeah, because on the I'm dumb. Okay, don't listen to me. Yeah. Well, I'll whistle harder. So they're going to be scared of me. They're illegal because they're a pest of our beautiful, fancy burbs. Okay, that's fair. I like birds way more than I like snakes. But, you know, I also eat birds. So that's totally cool, too. Anyway, hey, Tanuki, how's it going? We're just talking about eating animals. I would eat basically any animal. I don't have a problem. In fact, I want to eat every animal at least once before I perish. So sorry I missed yesterday. Oh, do not worry, Tanuki. Do not worry at all. There was nothing to miss. I didn't stream yesterday. That's probably why you may think you may have missed something, but I didn't. You are such a true fan. Your schedule lined up perfectly with mine. Therefore such, you have not missed anything. I would eat some random. I don't care how stretchy they are. Oh my god, please. Look, you want to trade arms? I eat your arm, you eat my arm. Okay, so we're just going off schedule. Look! Sometimes I miss a day. It doesn't be this way. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You know, I should probably also set my page to on vacation now that I know I'm not going to stream for the next week too. You can't eat my arm. I paid too much for my tattoos. Oh, it just sounds like flavoring though. It sounds great. I know on the res they don't like whistling while outside because sometimes something whistles back. I'll try to resist then. When I'm jamming up to my tunes, whatever song I've downloaded, I will resist the urge to whistle to it, and I'll try to survive for y'all so I can make it back safe and sound. Okay. Commit basic working Godot Rapier ports. Okay, commit that. Push. Now I can safely start fucking with shit even more. So let's do that. We don't want any of this. We don't want any of this. In fact, I don't even think I need this. Yeah, this can go outside of this. No, it doesn't matter. Okay. That's fine. I don't think I need the floor snap thing right anymore, so I can just set this to 0. And then this I can get rid of. There was so many workarounds I had to do for Rapier. I guess vanilla Rapier. I'm gonna need this code later, but I'm just gonna port it over, so who cares? And then what else do I need? Because all the code I need is going to be safely stored in the object-oriented original project code that I'm porting over. So I don't think I need to worry too much about doing anything else or even modifying this. Okay. GitHub projects, games, Godot, Silly Witch Platformer, Rust. Select folder. Okay, so here's my other games code. And trust and continue, game, source. Now, player has a lot of code in it, which I'm concerned about. What do I need for this? We have player bundle and then player? What does all that mean? I just want the movement stuff, you know? Then I have all these variables. Oh my god! Oh crap, this is not gonna be doable in one stream. Okay, all right. And then we have all this stuff for all the various interactions and state machine stuff. Okay, what's chat saying? Wait, why are you leaving? Grass. Time to touch it. Yeah, I'm going on a backpacking trip. I'm so sorry, Tanuki. Please do not stream. No one stream while I'm gone, because I'm not sure if I'll be able to maintain my streaks. So actually, Moon, when I said you should stream for me, don't do that, because I'm going to lose my streak and I'm going to be really sad. I don't know how I'm going to maintain it. I'm going to, oof. I don't know if I'll have connection. You're banging the code. No wonder you offer. We're going to be dead. Start going on vacation. Unacceptable. Then stream for 5 days. Leaves for... I didn't stream for 2 days. For 2 scheduled days. You can't just say 5 days. It was 2 days on the schedule. Let's do a giant stream together without Sir. No! No, please! Oh, this is fucked up. I hate it here. How can you do this to me? Alright, so I'm hoping I can just grab all of this. Like, update physics, this is on the player, which is a thing. I should be able to grab player, maybe player body? But just player, like what does player have that I would need? It has body, which is, what the hell is this? This is a character body 3D, which has some stuff on it. It has a reference back to player, that's so confusing. We have the animation tree, which I don't need right now. We have the mesh, which I assume is for transformations. Let's check shape. Now here's where things get interesting. I have to re-import all of the sort of edge check position, display position, collision shape node. Oh man, okay. There's a bunch of random, and then like you have all these speeds. Player camera, I don't need that. Camera's done automatically. UI I don't need, so I'm, okay, whatever. You missed me earlier asking for your stream token so I could take over, but now I vote we all take turns. Oh, you know, Fanny, I would kind of honestly be down. I don't know, maybe that's fucked up. If you would stream at the same time I stream, if you'd be available. See, whoever takes my stream token has to stream exactly when I stream. If you can't do that, then, well, I don't know. Those are my requirements. You have to stream exactly when, if only that was possible. Well, I guess if I can't give you my stream token then, you know, if only there was, let me think, here are my qualifications. I have to know you. You have to be a game dev streamer, and you have to be able to stream at this time. So, sir, last week was my first week at my new job, so it got leaked I'm in a game, wait, so it got leaked, I'm a game dev, so my boss was like, present a game next Tuesday. Oh my God, I'm gonna die of embarrassment. That sounds so base, what the hell? How come my boss doesn't ask for my games? Present a game next. You gotta be careful. Is there a thing where like you do work at your like work and then it counts as like the corporation's work and not your work? So maybe I don't know. I've heard that sometimes. Like, you can't work on your personal projects at the corporate office because then it's like because then they own it now or something. I don't know. I'm not working on it. Fair enough. Yeah, you gotta make the presentation off work. Just present Paul or something. I'm presenting first. Oh, okay. All right. Nice. Well, I'm glad they're invested. That sounds cool. Unless you're super scared, which I get too. I feel that. Why would they call you out like that? Who is telling people this information? Imagine just telling random people that you do game dev and you stream it and just without like just have that information leak. That'd be crazy, right? That'd be crazy. For a trusted friend that's been going out telling people you stream live in 4K, or at least 1080p for me. Oh God, no, they can't own it because of non-their devices. It's clearly marked as my LLC. I'm kidding. I know it's all good. All good. Maybe if you stop putting your secrets in a folder when I stream when I feel like. Also, to be honest, I don't have a stream schedule, but I stream when I feel like. Oh, maybe if you stop putting your secrets in a folder that says top secrets. No. That's what you see. You fell for the decoy, Lion Barrel. My secrets are not in the top secrets folder. Those are the decoy secrets. My real secrets are stored deep within my USB drive that I keep perpetually stored on my computer because I keep too lazy to remove it whenever I need to stop accessing it. I'm looking at it right now. I should probably get rid of that, huh? No, I don't care. Because I'm gonna lose it if I take it out of my computer and then I'll lose all my secrets. No, it says Tanuki Secrets. I love this emote. Me too. And also I don't game dev, so I'm sorry, Isaiah. I'm so sorry, I know. The joke is that I'm putting out requirements that no one could fulfill. That way I don't have to give out my stream tokens. So don't actually feel like you need to do something. Thank you, I drew the bunny. Oh, really? Oh my God. How'd you do that animation style? That looks really sick. I mean, maybe that's like, I know there's a software on Itch.io that lets you do that kind of like distortion style and export it, but I animated it with the website I found. Oh, it's perfect. Oh my God. I gotta do more animation. Not animation, I just gotta do more emotes. I can't do animations. That's why I don't do more emotes, because they have to be static. I don't have any static emote ideas. I have to remember, I have to have, like, set up an inspiration board for emotes I like, and then I'll have some more motivation to add some more emotes to my precious stream. Anywho, is there any chance I can get this working? Player old, and then where's my other thing? What happened to my other file browser? Here it is. So, theoretically, this is all I should need to have my player controller for my old project work. I mean, I have player body. I don't know what that is, though. Player body. See, this just has a player bundle. Am I accessing this from player? No. Am I accessing player from this? No, because I'm not using it in this module. So player bundle has stuff I don't care about. Player mesh could be a bit more interesting because that is on player. But I think I'm just gonna like transform that. So if I look for mesh, yeah, we've set offset. Okay, so we do actually, oh God, we do a lot of stuff with mesh. Ooh, and you know, I really should have mesh be its own class in this project. We're set to offset, we're set to offset. Okay, so it has like an offset system I need to worry about. And then we're set to offset. Okay, this just sets its position directly. Okay, all right. Then targets, just like target. Oh, target. I could just use this node. I want to eat it. Ah, no, don't eat the bunny. It looks like a yummy fat cat peep, like strawberry flavor. Oh, you know, I never posted that I got some Dr. Pepper peeps this Easter, and they tasted like Dr. Pepper. The end. And also I had some Dr. Pepper sausages. Oh my God, I could go for the Dr. Pepper sausage in my mouth right now. That sounds so good. Fuck. Oh well. I guess Dr. Pepper has like a bunch of like weird collabs now where they just make random things taste like Dr. Pepper, which is perfect because Dr. Pepper is the best soda flavor. Hands down, not even close. At me, don't at me. In fact, do not at me on that because it's just straight factual information. I just closed all my Zeds. This one. All right. Pause? What on your mouth? I didn't say anything. Guys, I'll tell Sir if I'm gonna kidnap them and make them watch Pom Poko. What is that again? I think we talked about this before. Oh yeah, the Tanuki movie. Okay, I'm so down for that. I need to watch that so bad. Should I not watch it, Tanuki, so one day we can watch it together? Because I'm down for that. I'd love to watch your favorite. You said it was your favorite movie, right? I don't know. Like I said, I've been spoiled a little, but that's fine. That's okay. It's you know, you can't. How can you really spoil a Ghibli experience? Yes, no, watch without me. Wait. Yes, no, watchy without me. No, it's not my favorite. What you said? Yes and no. What does that mean? Yes, no, watch you without. Oh, you're saying do not watch without you. Yes. Okay, got it. All right, sounds good. So I read that message as yes, watch without me, and I was like, oh, okay. All right. Hey, Moon Man, you should add more of my music to the jukebox. Yeah, Moon should. And also, you know, now that you mentioned that, Axel, I should add some more of your music too. Listen. I swear to God, Axel, it's like every moment of my fucking life this month has been non-stop back-to-back shit I gotta do. I guess I could have fit it in. I don't know, it's not something I think, it's like I've said before, it's a low priority thing, but you need to keep reminding me in Discord DMs. You can't remind me of things on stream, because I can't do them on stream. But if you remind me at a random time, at just the perfect time, then I'll be able to do it off stream. Actually, sir, any music you use in any of your stuff, you should add it to your jukebox. No. Wait, so... Lionel's is out here being like, what's happening? What's going on? Are we having a Tuesday hangout on Tuesday? No, I'm gonna be in the wilderness. Oh, without sir. I guess you're free to. Go ahead. I don't know. I am the glue that binds people together. I am the energy. I am the social power that brings together the people. No, any of my music you see, I mean, I got you. I got you, Axel. I am messing with you. I'm doing a little debate, as they say. Oh, fuck. I need inputs? Are you kidding me? Oh my God, there's like a bunch of... Okay, so I don't need this. Get rid of that. Okay, we just gotta get rid of all the inputs I don't need. I don't need UI. I don't need inputs. I'm not gonna need player mesh. I don't need player body. I do need mode. Mode is important, and we have mode here. So that's gonna be create game player. And then player camera, I'm not gonna use right now, but I will need that eventually. And then, so we're not gonna export player body. We don't need that. Mesh, we can export as just Node 3D. What else we got here? Wow, actually a lot of this we don't really need. Okay, we don't need any of this. Mode with the platform track node. Default, what the hell? Wait, there's a difference? Current floor, direction. Okay, all this. I don't need setup. I don't need any of this. Can't control is true. On land. Oh, we don't need to worry about camera stuff. We don't need to worry about first force jump. Mesh rotation to direction. Okay, we don't need any of this. No, wait, well, I'll keep mesh rotation. I don't know about force jump. We'll see about this. Do I not have real pi installed? I guess I don't. Okay. SCF32 const pi. And we're gonna do the same for you. We should spend 5 minutes to get in a call together just for a screenshot just to fuck with you. I don't know if you can do it. I don't believe that you have the capability to pull that off, Isaiah, but I'd love to see you try. I'd love to see you try. This I don't need. That's all animation stuff. I'm not gonna do animations yet. Last grounded position. See, for this, it's like, I guess I do need a reference to body. Did I delete that already? Because I'm gonna need something I can point to. This is just a node 1D. So I can just add this and everything will work. Presumably. Character body 3D. And then I have all of this. Const format concat CP. What the fuck is that? Concat? Is this just concating strings into a constant? That's pretty cool. I kind of need that. But I'm not doing animation stuff right now, so you're getting nuked. Goodbye. Animation tree, set process callback physics. I don't know why I needed this, but okay. Having the people actually show up would be a luxury. Yeah. I don't know. It's a good attempt. You know, if you just sit and chat, in voice chat, there is like a little icon that appears on the server, so people would show up if you waited long enough, I think. Ba-dum, ba-dum, bum, 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 bum. What is this? Why don't... Okay, player transform. Apparently player transform doesn't exist anymore. This is so sad. Do you need to re-import? Why aren't you here? Why'd that work? Where'd my player transform go? Did I delete it? Why would I delete that? Player? Oh, it's in player old now. Oh, player old. Okay. There we go. Well, I guess both of these are in player old now. So I can just do that. So, like, do you ever take a nap too close to bedtime? So, does that nap time get added to the time you actually sleep? For example, do you take a nap from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. and then go to bed 10 p.m. to 5 a.m.? Is that 8 hours of sleep? I found that is not how it works. As much as I wish it was the way it worked, that is never how it's been for me. I'll take a nap and I'll still sleep like 8 hours at night. And I wish it was, because I do sleep sporadically. And I wish that sleep would count for something. And a lot of times it does, but usually it just counts for pushing my sleep. Usually it... Oh, hey, thanks for the follow, Shrimpy TV. Holy shit. Your name is cool. Like, usually what happens is I'll take a nap from 5 to 7 p.m. and then I can't sleep at 10 p.m. And then my sleep just gets pushed back to like 3 a.m. And then I sleep 8 hours at 3 a.m. You know what I mean, Tanuki? So it's like, it's not great. Did you take a nap? No, your name is cool. Thank you. Thank you. Cannot find... What do you mean can't find player old? It's literally right there. Just Rust bullies me. It's like, no, actually, gotta manually tell us. It's gonna be okay, Tanuki. I've heard. I've never been able to... I don't know if this has ever worked for me, but if you lay in bed and don't move and close your eyes, it gives you the same, like, stamina regeneration as a normal sleep. I like the way I say that. Makes it sound like it's like some sort of exploit. Actually, I might have to head out soon. That's all good. See you later. I mean, I guess you can't really hear me, but should I send a wave? I don't really have a wave. Oh, here it is. Chow wave. All right, there we go. Who's that from? Oh, I think it's a friend. Okay, like resting your brain. Yeah, that's a maybe though. I just heard that somewhere. I don't know if that's actually true or not. So take my word with a grain of salt and vinegar. Okay, we want to replace this with replace create game player and MSG. Yeah, oh, that sounds. Oh yeah. And maybe it's a tiny bit of $1 Walmart pumpkin pie spice. And with all that, you have a fantastic time on your hands. Let me search for this and then make sure these all look good. Okay. And then replace. Save. And oh my. Okay, I got it. So there's like a big container, right, at Walmart. One time in the world, sometime this happened, where it was a big thing of spices. And one of them was a pumpkin pie spice. And to this day, I've been trying to get it to work, to make it work with something. But it, you can barely even taste it is the issue. Like, I wish it tasted like pumpkin pie. Got to figure out how to figure out new schedule. Help! Oh, no. Okay, well, if you think about it, if you take a second nap from 3 p.m. to 5 a.m. Oh, God, you really don't have any time, do you? Holy shit. No, Tanuki, you got... Maybe your brain isn't as fucked as my brain is, so you'll be okay. Maybe you can still make this work. I do not envy your position. You got this. You got this. Oh my God, it's not into the Raycast extension. Oh no, why? Gonna DM you. Okay. Thank you for the DMs. Oh, well, if you're gonna DM me, I'm gonna DM you, and then I'm also gonna do code. Unfortunately, I'm able to nap and sleep. Unfortunately, yeah. See, same here. It doesn't contribute much, in my opinion. I mean, I don't know. It would be so nice if that's how... I wish there was just a button you could push, be like, okay, I'm gonna sleep here. I wish you could strategize your sleep, right? Like that's all I could ever ask for, you know? Just give me a button that I push. It was a long week, you know? Yeah. I don't know. The thing is, it was only a 2-hour nap, so I think you're gonna be fine. It's gonna be okay. Unlike me, who just slept for like 6 hours. And now I have to get some sleep to start hiking tomorrow at 6 a.m. So I'm not gonna probably not sleep, and then I'm gonna have to just hike without sleep for a while. I wasn't tired yesterday, but today I'm a bit drained. It was actually 3. Oh, I'm so sorry. You're right. Actually, it was 3 hours, 5, 6, 7, 6, 7. 3 hours is still fine. You're gonna be okay. Oh, 4 to 7. All right. 6, 7. I lied. Oh, straight misinformation. Gonna expose me like this. Where the hell is my Raycast code coming from? Player Raycast? Okay, Raycast. Click this. This goes into Node. Oh, it's a Node 3D extension. Okay, so I just need to grab this code basically, and then. You know, I hate how my thing formats to not tabs. Don't you hate spaces? Shout out to everyone who hates spaces. They're the fucking worst. This is a safe. This is an anti. How do I put this? This is not a safe space. This is an anti-space location. You will be obliterated if you talk good on spaces over tabs. Labs and blueprint. Oh, I'm coming for you. Blueprints. I'm kidding. Blueprints are great. I mean, you still, you know, the thing about blueprints is there are still times you have to input text, I think. I vaguely recalled needing to do that. And so, you still have to choose, and I think you're forced to use spaces in your blueprints. Because remember there was a thing where, like, you can input, or was it shaders? Where you can input like a text shader, and when I used Unreal, I just code all my shaders and then put them into like the shader code node for all my shaders, and that's how I do them. What is Get World 3D? Oh, it's just an actual function. Oh, then why are you erroring me? Why the hell? Oh, because there's no self. Because I need this to be a Node 3D. Node 3D. I don't know. Node 3D. Okay, we'll make that a reference. This is gonna give us a Raycast result. Oh, come on, what the hell is that? You can make a variable. Huh. I gotta be honest, I kind of lost context of what I was saying before, so now I'm confused. I mean, you can make a variable, I guess. I guess variables have spaces in the names. I don't know. I'm so distracted. I feel like your subtitles in your video need to collab with them alphabetical soup. Like when, wait. I feel like your subtitles need to collab with alphabetical soup like when SpongeBob called Squidward a deadbeat. Get a job. Oh, hey, someone in the YouTube chat came up. Oh, what kind of platform is it? Best comparison like Mario 64? I'm sorry, Robert on a win. Oh, Robert on a win. I remember you. Get your ass back to Twitch. Okay. Collab with alphabetical soup. That does sound... maybe I should have like an alphabetical soup like level in my game, and then I'll have an excuse to do something like that, where it's just all the letters are coming from the soup. I was thinking about doing something... Okay, wait, where is this? I was thinking about doing something where, like, the NPCs you talk to in the game have dialogue, and then I can use that... And the dialogue is like the 3D subtitle system. And so I could use that in my subtitles for my videos, and then I don't have to, like... Oh, come on. What? No, I wanted the file. Then I don't have to do extra stuff. I can just program it in the game. The stuff I want to do. Raycast result. Pub create mod raycast result. You better add something. No, not to point it back to Twitch. Ah! You better add something peak to your game once you're back. Otherwise, I'm refunding my follow. Great idea. Yeah. Look, Red Rabbit, I'm adding something cool right now. What is cooler than ledge hanging? This is like the sickest thing you could possibly add. I just gotta port it over, and it's gonna be so good. A raycast result exists. You freaking freak. Node 3D. Do that. Any other funny people? Okay, yeah, here you are. Ah, that's right. That's right. You're getting imported. Okay, is that okay? And then with the raycast, this needs to be self.raycast. Oh, but then like. No, I need to pass self.body to this. And then I do self, like, static call raycast. I need something cool for my videos. Yeah! I mean, you gotta be... I mean, with me, at least, I try and leverage my coding skills a lot with my videos to make them stick out. But there's, like, other things you can do. Like, a lot of people just draw a really nice PNG... Like, you can use your PNG tuber, your VTuber. I don't know... I guess, is it derogatory to call your VTuber a PNG tuber? Because it's way more than that. But if you could, like, integrate your VTuber into, like, your like, shorts or videos, I think it looks really nice. And therefore, would add a lot to it if you just, you know... You just need something to make your video stick out, I think, when it comes to the game dev scene. 5 years ago, it wasn't as competitive, but now, god damn, there's, like, infinity number of devlogs where it's just, like, screen recording, pre-generated subtitles that have like little highlight thing, and then a person talking like, "Hey, welcome to my game. I did a jump this stream. Do you know I added what is it called? Coyote time. Have you heard about Coyote time? Oh my god, fucking Coyote time. But she is in the vid. Oh shit. Have I not watched your videos? Am I just a fake fan? I'm so sorry, Tanuki. Am I just wait. Oh my god, am I a fake fan? Hold on. Where's your YouTube? Games? Oh my god, she is! Oh, fuck me! Oh, fuck me! Listen, Tanuki, you haven't posted a new video in... I'm gonna say that it's gonna be like, new video today. Hold on. Oh my god! You haven't posted a video in like a month! I can't be blamed for this. I cannot be blamed. No. I'm just actually like an idiot. Oh my god! And you got like really nice subtitles too. I like the stylistic choice of one word per subtitle appearing. I think that's an underused sort of style that really keeps your video engaging, and I want to do more of that. I need to like lessen the number of like words per like segment of my subtitles. The issue is for me, it makes it really hard to do the editing and do the effect I do. God damn it! I'm so sorry. Fuck. No. Oh my god. Everyone go watch Tanuki, Pixel Tanuki games. I give you free promo and as an apology to give you man, Pixel Tanuki, you just put your VTuber in the shorts. What's worse, I remember watching your 2D character rigging shorts, so I should have known this. Just check out the camera. Your content looks cool. Thank you, Shrimpy. Go check out Pixel Tanuki too. Here's the issue: is I'm probably not subscribed to you on my personal account as well, which means like I'm not getting notifications because I don't use some randev for general browsing on YouTube. I use like just my random fucking shit YouTube account that I just use for everything. There's no way I don't know. I'll figure it out. See, this shit I'm saying I'm gonna do it after stream, and then I never do anything after stream. I gotta go to my Discord, open Discord. Write this note down. Okay, there we go. Yeah. I hate one-word subtitles. They're great for attention grabbing, but they're terrible as an actual accessibility feature. But at least Tanuki has automatic CC, so that's fine. Oh, wait! I just found your channel, it kind of looks cool. Oh, was Shrimpy talking to Tanuki, not me? Whoops. I totally did not just take your, like, compliment and like, count it as my own. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Okay, Shrimpy, you got to let us know. Who were you talking about? Maybe Shrimpy was, I don't know. I feel like in the context of things, Shrimpy was talking to you. Shrimpy was talking about me. Everyone go follow Fanny as well, please. Yes, thank you, of course. No. I'm just such a big ego. I see like, oh, you have cool content. I just immediately suck that into myself. Like, yep, that's my compliment now. Oh, no, Tanuki, Fanny Slam is not serious. Shrimp, speak up. It's like in a fucking visual novel, like a dating sim. Like, Shrimp, who do you choose? I was talking to Pixel Tanuki. Pixel Tanuki gets the good ending. You hate it here. I see how it is. Now we have to have like a separate scene where I cry to you, Shrimpy, for not being the one, for not choosing me. How could this be? How could he do this to me, Shrimpy? I thought I was the true ending, but no, I see how it is. Why is this still erroring? Oh, I need to upcast. Whoops. Okay, y'all, wait, hold on. I just needed to hit it with a little upcast. I think I just need to do a deref now that I've upcasted, right? Yeah. Good ending for you. Oh, the truth has come out. When all of us are on the dating sim, Tanuki is like front and center. I'm just a background character. Do you have the spell slots for an upcast? No! That's why I had to stall for long enough to get that. But I have it now, so it's all good. The drama. Yeah. No. Oh, fuck, I gotta do another one. I gotta do another upcast. I don't have this energy. I don't have this mana. I don't have these spell slots. Upcast. Okay. It's okay. It's a little more powerful now, so it's worth it. And then I gotta do approximate equal, which I don't think I can import. Oh, there we go. Look, sometimes I do approximize equality, and it does... Okay, it wants this to be a reference. I do this function, and it doesn't import. This specific function, I don't know why. Also, sorry I haven't been zoomed in on the code editor. Why is this not working? Cannot move out of dereference, blah, 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 blah. Well, then clone it. Oh, this means I need to clone, then upcast the other one, too. Well, maybe not. Player, are you good? Where's my errors? Okay. Warning, don't care. Don't care. Can I just get errors and not warnings? Is that possible? Where's that filter? Oh, let's see. Oh, there we go. Okay, we turn that off. This needs to be game, player. Okay, what else? Create game, player, unresolved. This is gonna be player old. That's errors fixed. Can I find create game? Okay, well, freaking player old player, right? No. This one should be old. Put on the maid outfit, charm plus 42. Ooh, but if I do that, I have to take off my what am I wearing? I don't know. Like one of those Baldur's Gate items that just sets your stat to like max plus more. Option 2? The fuck is an option 2? What was I cooking? Wait, what the hell's an option 2? What the hell? What the fuck, y'all? Y'all, what does that mean? Hold on. Option 2. Option 2. Oh, it's like an option, but it has two nuns. That's a positive and a negative. Okay. We can, I think I just need to add this package, right? What is this? Game Dev Extras. Let's go to this. Do I not have Game Dev Extras in this project already? Let's see, Cargo Tomo. I don't. I need to add that and then add it to the prelude. Why am I pub creating all of these? Pub, create, use, Game Dev Extras, prelude, this. Okay. So hopefully now I should have option 2. Who opened the cast? Me. It's true. Oh, I need to, this is the thing I needed to clone. Okay, surely now, this is the last error in player that I don't have to worry about. Okay. Okay. And then game, player win. Okay, I don't have this anymore, so I don't care. Singletons, inputs, we're not gonna use that, so I don't care. Inputs, don't need any of this. I don't need update win because, oh yeah, I don't need much of this. Wait, God, stop moving! I don't need a win mode, so we're gonna get rid of that. That was just for the win mode for the rat in the other game. Which means I don't need this either, so we can get rid of that. What else? Const format. Do I just import that and call that a day? But I'm not using the animation tree, so who cares? I don't need that. Oh, maybe I do for later. Ooh. Ooh. Let's add const format. I didn't mean. Oh, actually, I can open in terminal. CD. CD one more. CD's nuts. Const format. Look how easy Rust is. Just hit add library, and then it's added, and then we're good. And I can never look at this again. And now this error is gone. I think the worst part of my new schedule is I'm gonna have to sleep like an hour into your stream. Oh no! Don't feel guilty about that, Tanuki. It's all good. I'm gonna stream for long and lots after this week. So do not fret. Do not fret. Do not shet. But I want to watch them. Yeah, fair enough. Thank you for the. I feel that a lot. Don't worry. It's long as, in fact, once you have the schedule set, it'll be easier to watch me with how consistently you will know that you can wake up to my sweet and soothing voice. I don't know why they call it the terminal when the code more often survives. They call it that because the user doesn't survive. Actually, Shrimpy. They call it that because when you open it, you're gonna get hit with a terminally painful this wave of errors. You ever just like compile something and like the whole thing turns red because of how many errors there are? Where does this string come from? Oh, it's just like one hard-coded thing. Oh my god. Okay, I'm just gonna add this to the top right here. Boop boop boo-doo-doo-doo. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. Alright. Self-mesh, bind moot, update rotation. I'm not gonna worry about that yet. I'm not gonna worry about any of this. Okay, we just get rid of that. Even though I might need that later. Offset camera position damp. I'm gonna need that later too, but we're not worried about it right now, so don't worry about it. Get rid of this. Hopefully none of this is like load-bearing visual code. Where's the next error? Oh, XZ. Do I not have this? I guess I don't. This? No. Don't you schedule your days to the hours? I do. So, yeah, it should be good. Or do you have to me in general, not to streaming, just like my days in general, in which case, no. I absolutely do not. Everything is very sporadic to me. Wait, no, wait. Yeah, this should be Godot extras. Okay, yeah. It's just how I live. Yeah, I mean, obviously there's like things in life where you just have work and stuff where you have to like go around that, but no, I'm not a planner. I'm not really much. I mean, if I have a plan set, if I'm gonna go out at a certain time, I'm gonna do that. But I don't have like, I don't have like a very good like consistent. Oh, this needs to be set to player old, like consistent. Player old! Things. And this needs to be player old. Boo 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 boo. Boo 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 boo. I really wish I did though. It'd be nice. What I should do is get up every day and write down all the things I need to do on that day And then it's very likely they would get done. And that'd probably help my mental state a lot. But I don't. Maybe one day. Maybe one day you can encourage me and someone can be like, hey. Do your things. Get your stuff done. And I'll be like, okay, fine. I'll make a spreadsheet. And then I'll spend all day perfecting my spreadsheet, get nothing done. Why does it still have issues? Who is bullying me? What the fuck is your problem? Expected F32 found... I changed it to a reference because he told me to! But okay. Update physics? I don't need any of this. What the hell? I don't need this. But I guess I can delete whatever that is. Input. So here's my input stuff. Get movement input. But I don't need that because I have a different way to input. What else? Okay, then there's blob shadow stuff, which I don't need. I don't need any of this, really. This is all for, I have this weird, here's what I want, fellow gamers. I want a shadow that felt like a fake shadow that follows you underneath your player. Does anyone know how to do that in Godot? I remember I had a good method for it in Unreal, but Godot is a bit special and I couldn't really figure out how to get it working as well. And so I had to do all this weird extra bullshit, like, oh my god, rendering server stuff, to hopefully try and get, like, a perfect blob shadow from a player, but I could never do it. And so I think for this game, I'm just gonna set it so the blob shadow is a sprite or something. That this is always gonna be at the nearest, at the lowest point, or... Oh, sure, the method, I need that to do that for Marceline. Yeah, I did it for, what you call it? I did it for Nimbot. Let me make sure I'm remembering this correctly. But I think I just did something where is this gonna show up with me? No, of course not. This is way too generic of a name. I just did something where I did, like a light source pointing down, and Unreal was able to set it so that it didn't cast any new light, but it just applied a shadow. And I think, let me check. Yeah, see right here, like, I had a shadow, but was it just that the whole directional light was pointing down? It might, wait, it might just be that I had a directional light pointing down. Oh, crap, maybe I don't know how to do it. Yeah, I think what happened was I just had a directional light pointing down, and then that applied to everything. But there still was an ability to set it so the mesh was, like, set to shadow cast only? But then I feel like I could do this in Godot. So why haven't I done this in Godot yet? I don't know. I have a thing I like to do for fake shadows. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah, oh, what do you like to do, Shrimpy? Honestly, knowing programming and having the ability to get things done is too much power. It's like God's way of character balancing. The ability, oh yeah, of getting things done. Yeah, well, I'm gonna become OP this year when I actually release a game into the world, and it's gonna be beautiful. It's gonna be wonderful. I like to pass the player's XYZ position into a shader, and if fragment is below the Z value within the XY radius, darken it. See, that's what I did before, Shrimpy. That's literally what that code was. I just saw that I just deleted a second ago. The issue is that it goes through platforms. If I'm like standing on top of a platform and there's a platform underneath it, you can see my shadow through that platform too. So I need some sort of method to make it so that it can like raycast from me for each pixel on that shadow and see whether it like, you know, it can reach the player or something. I don't know. But it's so extra and hard and I don't know how to do, and there's no like good method. Okay, thanks. Since those are built into Unreal Engine light sources, I'm sure I can get it going next stream. Oh, nice! Hell yeah! Like I said, though, you're not allowed to stream while I'm unavailable. Unless you really want to, in which case it's all good. But I'll be very sad if I have to miss your stream. I'm too lazy to accommodate that. I just designed the levels to not break the illusion. I can't do that. I can't do that. My levels have a bunch of like platforms on platforms. Is this how I be platforming, you know? I'm starting to feel like a Pixel Tsuki stream is coming this week. There's no way. There's just no way. Extra Collider 3D ID. What does this even mean? I probably won't scream that. Oh. Well, I guess I say next week, but I mean this week, as in starting from this Sunday is when I'll be. Do it, Tunukis. Yeah, do it. Do it. I'll find a way. I'll be ready. Okay, hear me out. Raycast down from the player, then check for the radius in 3D from the XYZ. Well, here's where we get to the complicated stuff, Shrimpy, is I can raycast. I can do one raycast. But what happens when the player is standing over like an edge and the raycast hits like the higher edge? Does it only cast a shadow on that edge, not another shadow on the lower edge? See, it feels like the only way to solve this is to leverage the lighting system somehow. Which is a little annoying because I'd like to not do that. And I'd like to find a solution where I can have full control over it and how it's rendered. But I don't know if that's possible. I mean, I think Godot has some lighting shader I could use to maybe apply to every material and then like reference the player's position from that to use, maybe? I don't know. Like the lighting shader gives you a point, like a reference to a light that you can reach from that shader. So maybe I should have like a fake light on the player, and then if the lighting shader is run for the player, then it will run the shadow calculations. And maybe that would work. I think I just figured it out. I don't need this whole function. What am I doing? Just get rid of this. I don't need this. Okay. And then update physics. What we got in here? We got a bunch of singletons I don't need. I don't need blob shadow again. Where are you? You're getting obliterated. Oh! I like to imagine whenever I delete code, it does like the scream echo, like, oh! You know what I'm saying? Should double jump. Oh, I have like a double jump. That's right. I might be adding double jump this stream if we're lucky. Real pie needs to be. Actually, do I have real pie? I don't. This needs to be F32 const pie. Which is a little annoying, but whatever. And then I need to like, I gotta go through and change all my ATANs to use the deterministic ATAN, which is gonna be a hassle. A casserole inside my asshole. Inputs of this. I need to do that later with a different thing. If jump is pressed, we're gonna say false for now. And then if jump is not pressed, okay. If true, then we do that. And then why is it screaming at me? The damage was up. No, that's fine. It's fine. I promise Zed that code is okay. Get movement input. Okay, here we go. Now we have the get movement input, which is... I'm not sure I'm going to pass that to update default. I think I need to go to my player old or player or something and get... Oh, player update. And get my input thing here, which is a U8. I don't know, Godot, but does it have MRT like Game Maker does? I don't know what MRT is, Shrimpy. I'm so sorry to say. I know MIT. Marked. I'm assuming it's some sort of... I know there is like a casting system in Godot where you can do cool stuff with that. But yeah, I am unfamiliar, unfortunately. I think I'm gonna have to just pass an input. Whoa! Oh shit, Ricky! Oh my god, Ricky 2K3 has subscribed! Thank you! Oh my god, how's it going? What's up? I'm doing dev, I'm doing good. Oh, thank you for the the sub before the follow is crazy. You can set up a shadow mapping system, so yeah, I know there's something I probably could do, Shrimpy. But hey, welcome. Everyone go, I try shout out. Go check out Riggy 2K3. Game coming out this month on June 26th. Also check out Riggy at Riggy 2K3 YouTube and Twitch and all the stuffs. Over halfway there, 5 out of 10 new subs. Oh shit, let's go! Hey dude, you rock. Can't believe it's my first time here. Yeah, well, you should be in disbelief. This is the best stream on the platform for game Devin and others. Besides yours, of course. Everyone go check out Riggy. But yeah, hey, how's it going? I'm just doing, oh, full hot 10 chow. Welcome in. Hey, how's it going? Welcome back. No ads. Yeah, the ads are gonna do it to you. I'm so sorry. What does this even give you? It gives you a vector 2. Okay. I'm sorry, y'all. The ads. How could this happen? Riggy, I can't believe you just joined right when there's ads. Now no one can know what's going on. Get movement input. I actually do already right here. So I can just do this. And then put that right here. And then let movement input equals vector to new. I guess I should make that default. Default. And then we can modify this. Now the question is, does this need to be normalized? I don't remember. Let's go check. Oh, no. Get it. What is this? Get out of here. Breakpoints? Debugging? Debugging in my shitty fucking stream? Nuh-uh. I don't know what that means. Okay, so get movement input is like a whole thing where I need to calculate. What the hell is? Oh, is this because of the camera? Maybe the difference between input angle and this is for gradual rotation change. Welcome back, Ten Chow. How's it going? Yeah, so that's just. This is still a normalized vector though, which is what I was looking for. So, and what I also need to do is import these. Oh wait, crap. Where was this? This is an update, right? So I should just publicly. No, it isn't. Where is this? It's in constants. I need to import game constants. Okay. I guess I can just do this right. No, not here. Do this in here. Use game create game constants import all. I'm trying to imagine streaming on a train. That doesn't sound too bad. I'd just be scared because it's like, you know, public place where you can't really talk that loud. And I'd feel the anxiety so bad. Maybe it was like a more private train where you had like a shut-in room with soundproofing. It'd be cool. If you're streaming on a train, you definitely need like a video feed of the train moving. So I think that adds a lot to the vibe. If you could somehow set that up. That'd be a great game idea. Streaming on a train? I guess that would be. Wait. Where'd this come from? Wait. You're the one that was imagining streaming on a train, trying to discreetly do it. I can't even think of. I don't know if there's even a train I could ever be on. But yeah, it'd be like, hey y'all, welcome to my train Asper. Hey, yeah, hello, how's it going? Here's my trigger. You know, like it would. I don't know. I guess trains aren't that loud. From the inside, I'm sure they're way better. Yay, Godot time! Hello, Merchel? I feel like there's another person with a similar name that I say. Mercurial? Yeah, Mercurial, but no, you're Merchel. All right, hey, Merchel, how's it going? Yeah, we're Godot, and even though it's like fake Godot because I'm writing Rust right now, it's still Godot. And that's what really matters, you know? See, I'm still doing Godot stuff. I just need to, let me try, oh, fuck, don't fuck with me. Try normalized, unwrap. So here's a fun thing about normalization, is that you can't normalize every vector, and so in this framework, if you try to normalize and it fails, it crashes, so you have to do try normalized, which gives you an optional normalized. Whoa, hey, thank you for joining the Google Gang, Yomi. Wow, nice avatar, really cool. Hey, hell yeah! The little Godot, I know, I love that emote, it's so cute. Oh, it's from your channel? Oh, shit. Rich, you got some sick emotes. So this is what I mean. I need like a nice, cute Godot static emote. I need like a nice, cute one. A bunch of different little things. And you can just spam and it's so fun. It's great. We're gonna do one. We're gonna do that for vector 2, new 1. Actually, no, because this can be 0 anyway. Right? Input amount. Yeah, this could be 0, so I don't even... Oh, crap, I just closed it. I don't even need to do all this. I'm making it so extra for no reason. Let's see. Movement input, normalized, or 0. Okay, is that all the errors from this file? No, we still have one more down here. What the? No, oh! That was like an actual, like, Rust thing where you do this and it becomes something special. Okay. No, we're good now. Oh, boy, every file in the wall interaction has an issue. But yeah, welcome in Yami Geist. Welcome back in Merchel. I feel like there's a third person I forgot. Not too loud inside. Yeah, I suppose. I just like the idea. I think the idea is really funny. Just be like, hey y'all, I'm in a train. Everyone has to be quiet. Don't type too loud, because I also have sound effects in my stream. So if you type, I'll hear it. Why is so many things require inputs? What am I using? Jump just pressed? I guess I have to add like a thing for this. Jump just pressed, and then that needs to be a variable that's passed to this function? It's a bool? Oh, and then strings. Oh, don't do this to me. Oh my god, I didn't add that to constants. I have a constants thing. Why isn't this added here? Oh, it was. I'm just... It literally was. And I deleted it for some reason. Hold on. Where was this? Complex movement path. Find me this. Grab this. Put this in constants. Oh, look at all my cool fucking physics constants that I have that I'm not using. And then complex movement path. Import that. And now we're good. Update hang. Another inputs one. Has either. Wait, I have either? Okay, let me install either then. How do I do that again? How do I open the terminal? Here. CD game. CD's nuts. I'm so sorry. Do I really have an either package? I thought I made my own either for myself. Stream in a library and keep reminding your audience to be quiet. I could do something like that. Like, have the stream interface be a library and be like, everyone shut the fuck. And the more you talk, the more you're penalized. Or there's like some sort of horror monster that's following people around, so you can't talk. Well, near you. Maybe. I feel like you shouldn't make something that disincentivize talking, but it might be funny. Maybe people will be more locked in on stream, because they need to like check and make sure. Either. Where is this? Cargo Tomo? Either. Where is either? Oh, here it is. Either 1.15. Alright, I guess since I was using it in here, I'll install it here. Even though I feel like the either crate is kind of bloated. I remember thinking I need to just make my own. But, oh well. I imported it now. Can't go back. It's gonna be here forever. I'm even gonna import it here. Ooh. Either. Do I just import either? I guess? Update hangs. Now I have either. See, look, and then I have to import right and left. So I think I need to import just all of the either package. And then that will fix a lot of things. Boom. That would be dope. Make it a horror game for the audience. Right? Yeah, well, this is the thing, right? 10 Childs, I have so many ideas. Ideas are so free and easy. The issue is implementing them, having the time to do that in stream interface. Because even the smallest thing can take like an entire day to do. I don't even realize it. It sucks. Reset offset. So this, I think I just need to set it so my mesh dot set position is vector 30. Inputs is jump just press. I need to do that. Is jump just pressed. I don't need to worry. Wait. Is jump just pressed? We set the jump buffer. Set jump buffer if none to 0.1. Oh, because this is buffer stuff that I haven't done yet, so we're not going to worry about that. But oh crap! Wait, no, we need to copy this, paste it in here, make that an input for this function. Okay. Then get movement input. Get relative movement input. What the oh man, I don't know what my get movement input relative is going to be. So I get the movement input, and I get that as a difference from my current direction, and then that's oh crap! Oh, this is like a whole thing. I'm mulling over if I share my complex world building sometime. You should. Maybe I'll read my smut. I mean my book for bedtime. That is a good strategy. That is a good. I will agree. Fantastic move there. Yeah, I worked so hard to get my Kindle working. Just for that purpose, just to make things sleepier. The issue is when you have a Kindle, is that mine doesn't have a backlight. I guess modern ones do, so this isn't an issue for newer people. Never mind. Ignore I said anything. Okay, you want to hear a real fucking downer issue, Tanuki? Is that I want to read before bed, and so I can set my phone to really, really low brightness, and it's great. I can set the perfect amount of brightness to not disturb my sleep, and not to like blind myself in bed. Issue. Like months ago, I broke my phone screen. So there's like a small line at the top of pixels that are always at maximum brightness. And so even when I have it at like tiny brightness in my bed, I have these blindingly bright pixels I have to stare at in order to use my phone. So it hurts and it sucks and it's the worst and I don't know what to do. And I think I need to get like a little piece of like, what's the black tape called? Electrician's tape? And just stick it on that to solve that issue. But then it's like, I don't know. Use those stalker money to get that new Kindle. If you, well, for the record, Tanuki, if you read my, my update, you know that I wasted all my stalker money today getting scammed. And it was so sad. And I'm gonna fight Duncan for that. I can't believe they did me so dirty. Cause I did, it was $6! Which, I mean, a $6 sandwich is not that bad. It's actually pretty good. That's a pretty good deal. But it was not I've been to other Dunkins, and the Dunkin' near me is great. But that was an alien Dunkin' I had never been to before. And I was thinking, damn, I should just get the $2 donuts, post a picture of the donut in chat, so I can be like, hey, Izera, look, I ate that, I got the donut I told you I was gonna get eventually, because you modeled that donut the one time in Blender. And I should have just got the donut, but I was like, no. I'm in the mood for something a little savory. Look at this delicious, like, mouth-watering, toasted, bacon pouring out the side sandwich. Sorry, now I'm just like... And I got scammed. I got scammed today. And I also got scammed again also this week. This week has been a mess of scamalicious goodness. And I have a direction. I'm not using it, so I can't even do a thing for this right now. So fuck it. Get relative. I'm gonna need that later, but I can't do it right now. So I need movement vector 2. I'm just gonna do it absolute. So you have to go away. You have to go away. There we go. So that's solved, I think. No, because I still got to reset the offset here. Self.mesh.set position vector 30. And then what? And then what? Oh, I have to set offset. Oh, that's kind of cool. This does, like, animate it for me. So this is just a matter of doing self... Well, I should probably comment out all of this. I need to do self-mesh set position for this. I don't know why I did a set offset. I think it's because I just needed to encapsulate that object-oriented concept. Update hang actions. We're just hanging out, yeah. Get relative movement input. Movement vector. I'm going to use this in so many places. Crap. Actually, you know what? You know what? We're going to keep this function. We're going to keep this and just make it global right now. So that, you know, because whatever. Who cares? So I am going to need this later. And I don't want to, like, just completely forget about it. So right now we're just going to do return vector to... Oh, no, but I need it for the input. Oh, no. Okay, I'll just do vector 2, 0 and not think about it. Oh, God. Okay, update. Yeah, we're going to fix that later. Okay, I think all this is good. Ledge climb. This is also using inputs, my favorite, which means I get to import. This is actually really small. This isn't too bad. Okay. Jump just pressed. So we'll add that as a variable again. And then that will fix everything, right? Right? No, of course not. Of course not. How silly of me to assume the things will be fixed by that and that alone. All right. Now we have this. So I guess I'll just do this again. Is jump just pressed? God, everything uses jump. Wow. Okay, is jump just pressed? Which is, it's probably better to do it this way because it encapsulates the input method instead of using the global input reference. And now something here is going to need this. So update hang actions. Is jump just pressed, which I don't have for this. So I got to do that here. And then I'm going to go back down here. Do it here. Why is this not allowed? Input takes 3. I need a movement vector 2. And I'll just made a vector. Oh, wait, no. Okay, grab that. Do that. Movement vector. Now, this is going to be required by something right here. So now I need movement vector for this. So movement vector and jumped. Bool. Okay. So movement vector, jumped. All right, and now all of these. Oh, wait, what's check ledge? Update hang, which requires both a movement vector and jumped. Oh, okay. Oh boy. Sir, are you doing art fight? I wish I was. I have very little confidence in my art skills, but I really want to get into art fight, and I want to do art fight, and I want to do the what's that site called where there's like monthly competitions, and if you win, you get to join the site. I forgot what it's called. It's like, it's like VTuber or something, right? VTuber art site. VGen. I want to start submitting stuff to the VGen art competition. Did you see the team announcements? Oh, no, maybe I missed it. I'm sorry. I haven't been on Discord like at all today. But is there an art fight thing? I might sign up for an art fight if y'all are doing art fights. But I'm not a good artist. And the issue is art takes so much energy from me. I try to... No, I'm sorry. I shouldn't say negative things about my art. I do good stuff. I'm able to make Blender things. It was today on YouTube for art. Wait, what? On YouTube? What is... You have to elaborate because I'm confused. Yeah, I don't know. What do you mean on YouTube? Is it like YouTube doing an art fight thing, or you could put your character up so I can attack you, lol? All right, sounds good. I'm gonna do that. I mean, I can't do it this week, obviously, because I'm gonna be occupied. But when I get back, I'm gonna start art fighting. I tried getting into music battle community, but they were primarily chiptune, and I was too lazy to learn trackers. That's a lot of words. I don't know what those mean. There's a music battle. I guess it's the same thing as art fight, where you just make things. You make music, but they're primarily chiptune, which is fascinating. I wonder why. How'd their niche become mostly chiptune? I mean, I assume that you can just not do chiptune, and it'd still be welcome music. I know I would love any sort of music. But yeah. Update hang. Okay, Okay, I just gotta do this. Movement vector 2, and then jumped. Bool. And then I got past these two. Were they before or after delta? Delta. Okay, there we go. Boom. Okay. All right, now update hang is good. Go to ledge hang. I need to now pass this information, which isn't available. Because frick me. So we're gonna put this here. Pass movement vector and jumped. Okay. And then mute W. I think chiptune has steep learning curve, and music battles are a great way to learn. You typically have to upload the tracker file used to make the MP3. Anyone with an account can see how you made it to learn. Oh, that's pretty sick. And that's also like a good like anti-AI sort of thing that you can do to make sure everything's like human made, and that's cool. Oh wow, holy shit. I'm gonna have to do that too, because I really need to get better at music as well. Like I need to get way better at music. Wow, self-check ledge. I don't have any ledge stuff here, so I gotta do movement. Here we go. The corruption of my parameters. Movement vector 2, jumped. And then put that stuff in there. Boop. And then please, I just need this to compile. And this also needs movement vector and jump. Is this in the same thing? Nope. We gotta re-replicate that. And then this is before. It's always before. I've done it consistently before. So do that like that. Any other errors? Yes, this one. Check mode switch, which is in this, which does have input. It does have movement input. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yes. Okay, so I can push this to here, and then like input and jump for if it has a jump this frame or not. Expected bool. Okay, yeah, whatever. You know what I meant. Design equals 0. Okay. All right, so we did all that. Update climbing. And then check ledge needs movement vector and all that stuff. Yeah. Movement vector 2. Vector 2 for me and you. Holy shit, I gotta do a number 2. Just kidding, I don't. But I will have to on that trail. I'm really not looking forward to pooping on the trail. Now we have all this. Okay, so now I need to pass a movement vector to this. Movement vector, vector 2. Jumped is a fool. And then I calculated both these for update default. So I just need to move out of this and then, because this has an input parameter, but I don't need that. I just need movement inputs. Movement input vector. I forgot what I keep calling it. Movement vector. My name is Victor. I have the qualities of speed and magnitude. Oh yeah. Thank you for the emote syrup, God. Okay. This can just be movement vector. Movement vector. And then jumped, I need to, hold on. I need to like go back to update physics. Stick this code in here. So all I need is the input here. So input U8. So I can calculate all that and then let jump equals input and jump does not equal 0. Okay. So now I have all this. I can go to, okay, update default. What did I do? Input, here we go. So this can just be this. This can be input, movement vector. No more errors, please. Okay, and then we go here. And then what? I guess we just do movement input right here, and then we pass this. Movement vector jumped. Okay, movement vector jumped. Next, update climbing has movement vector and jumped at the end. And then what's this? Update wall cling. You have just jumped. Okay. And how about you? Update ledge climb. You have just jumped as well. And update hang has both before delta, I think. Yeah, holy cow, I need to make that more consistent. And this doesn't have anything. Okay, perfect. Oh, I'm so close. Hydrate, please, I'm begging you. Okay, I'll do it, Fanny. Even though I didn't pay me the 10K, I will hydrate just for you. Give me a sec. I went to Walmart today. Actually, I don't know if I went to Walmart. I went to like, I think it was Wegmans. I got my favorite flavored water. Splash. And I got into my least favorite flavor. Actually, my least favorite flavor is lemon. My second least favorite flavor is orange. But I love lemon and I love orange. I'm not saying I hate those things. I'm just saying I like them the least. And I still drink them because I like variety. Even though the best flavor is like there's like a berry one and then like I think there's a grape one. Those two are just good. It tastes like berries and grapes. What if is a grape a berry? I don't know, but they both taste amazing. 10K for hydrate? I just know when to hydrate, so I don't need people telling me what to do. Oh. I just hydrated right there because it was actually my idea. I just forgot to do it. And Fanny was just reminding me, but that was technically my idea. So, yeah, whatever. Physics process, and then okay, I'm not gonna do either of these. I'm so close to 10K. Do not spend your 10K on a hydrate, please. I feel so guilty. I need to make it higher. I need to do like ridiculously high, like 11K. I just increase it by 1K every stream, so Fanny can never get the redeem. just a little out of reach every time. Boom, 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 boom. I will make sure you hydrate in 3 weeks, maybe. All right, we'll see. Maybe in 3 weeks I make it 20K. What the freak? Listen, you know, this is just the way. This is how you play the game, you know. I just gotta keep you making those points. Keep you farming that aura. Gamers, it's time to suffer. How do I call this update in like my thing? Because I don't know how I'm gonna do it. Because I need reference to this player node, which I'm gonna add, and then I add the player node, okay, and then I reference it from player update. So that I'm gonna be able to reference it because the player node is going to be referenced on one of the other player nodes, right? I have player 1 marker, and then player animation state. Oh, I don't really have a thing to mark the node though. I mean, I have player 1 marker, but that's not really what I want. I guess I could just add the player node. I need to compile. Hold on. Go on File Explorer. Rust code. Open terminal. Build Windows. Okay. Do this. And do that. Sir, you and I have been at odds ever since we met. Can't we be friends? Can't you just look the other way when I destroy your default cube? No! I will not allow that. I will not stand for this default cube destruction. They're beautiful, and everything in my game will be built off of a default cube just to spite you, Fanny Slam. Out of menace and despise and anger. You will see, I will have recorded evidence up from these streams that everything in my game is from default cube. My new boss is giving me too schedule freedom, so I'm just lost on what to do. Maybe it's just a trial and error thing. Oh, too much. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I mean, I feel like kind of like choice paralysis. Like, you need guidance, especially if you like are someone that can't like, I don't know, what's the right word? Someone who needs like a schedule, like me, and I assume also you. Damn, yeah, I don't know, yeesh. Schedule freedom, yeah, fuck. I would not thrive with the work with the schedule freedom. I do die, because I do not, I also have a free schedule with my work, and it kills me. Yeah, you gotta be, what's the word? You gotta be, like controlled with yourself. What's the fucking word? Oh, my vocabulary is stabbing me in the back so hard right now. You need to be like consistent, but not consistent. There's a word for it. Well, I guess there are some guardrails. Yeah, true. No, yeah, of course. I just meant like, a drip advisor. Want to work on my game, but I'm nauseous, and all the anti-nausea meds I know make it hard to think without working. Well, so for coding. Oh my god, that's so relatable. I took like was it earlier this year? I was taking meds for allergies, for just seasonal allergies, and they make me so sleepy and I didn't be able to focus on work. I was like, fuck, I guess my nose is just gonna drip, and that's just in my life. It's how things are gonna be. Like meetings after 10. Oh yeah, yep. So you just gotta be awake. You gotta wake up, Tanuki. Make sure you go to sleep tonight. Don't miss out on sleep. Do not stay up in bed reading a whole book, as I may do. But yeah, too much freedom and I don't work enough, rigid schedules, and I just want to break free. Yep. Oh my god, that's so fucking relatable. It really be that way. Oh, I wish you luck, Tanuki. You got this though. Just I don't know. I feel like I do pretty good if I have a notepad or something with like a list of things I need to do. As long as I have that, I can make it through. Usually. Not always, but usually. Well, I need to check my video output. Where is it? Is it here? The video? Sorry, this is like a random tangent. I gotta make sure my video isn't like too big. Oh, it says 0 bytes on Windows. Okay, cool. I guess I won't know. Oh no, there it says 4.6 gigabytes. Okay, so I finally fixed my output stuff for my videos that I record, the VODs that I record locally on my computer, because I had them set to way too high, and they would save videos that were like 20 gigabytes per hour. And so I do a 4-hour stream, and I'd get like, what would that be? Like nearly 80 gigabytes of just raw video file, and I kept getting those, and that's why I couldn't stream these past 2 days. This is my hard drive is so, I mean, I guess not, yes, it has other things, but that's why I couldn't stream on Wednesday. So my hard drive is packed the fuck up. Like, I look at my free space on my other hard drives, like, oh, I have 80 gigs free, and then I remember, oh yeah, 80 gigs is one stream. What the hell am I doing? Laying down now? Hell yeah, get relaxed. I'm gonna roll around on the train. Oh yeah, too much for you. Oh yeah. Are you on a train right now? Is that why the train topic came up? Or do you take like a train to work and then you're just gonna, I don't know, roll around on the train? I didn't understand. Maybe I missed that message. But yeah. Ba-da, ba-da, ba-da. Ba-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Where are you going on vacation? Oh, sorry, I missed your... I don't know why my brain, like, glazed over that red rabbit. I'm not going anywhere on vacation. Oh, I'm going to the Shenandoah Mountains. I'm gonna backpack all 100 miles in a week. It is about 15 miles of hiking per day. Which sounds a little miserable, but it is what it is. Benadryl Dramamine made me feel like I have a concussion. THC helps with the nausea, but it makes the voices louder and stone coding sounds impossible. Yeah, you gotta be sharp. You gotta focus, especially if you're doing like bevy stuff. You have to like be able to like simulate the whole thing in your brain. It's no good using a different strategy. But I wish you luck, Drip. I mean, if you're sick and you're not feeling good, just take a rest. You don't need to code. I mean, unless you have like work and stuff, obviously. But like, you know, if you're doing game stuff, take it easy for a couple days. Take a rest. You know, be chill. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get node as player, or get it as our player node. You know what I'm saying? There we go, player. No, wait, what is this? This is not my player node. I want create game player node. I want that player. Can I do that? Yeah. And I could do let player equals this. And then I can do player dot bind mute physics update? Physics process? That's not what I want though. I want my physics update function, which is this. Oh crap, where is that? Oh crap, that's an update physics. That's only pub super. I need to make that pub crate. And now I can use update physics with my input, which I have right here. And then my delta, which I don't have, question mark? Maybe? Where the hell is my delta? Where do I get delta? Oh, here it is, DT. DT. Does anyone know that anime at all? Ixion DT from like 2011, which is like a satirical isekai before isekais were even big. But like I also watched it before I even like watched any anime, so all the satire fell flat for me. Expected a U6. Okay, we need to make this F64. And in the intro song go D T D T D T do do boo 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 boo. But can you sing, Cert? I mean, you've heard my intro jingles for my shorts, and that's basically the best. Oh, you know what? I actually have done a cover of JoJo Diamond is Unbreakable Opening 3. But besides that, no, not really. It might be because I'm eating fire wings every time I eat out. I can still feel the invisible sauce residue lightly heating my face. Oh my god, Dripify, chill with the fire wings. You don't need them. They're gonna make your stomach hurt. I cannot handle. Well, I can handle spicy food. I can eat spicy food just fine. It's afterwards, you know. It's a problem. Should I link you the cover, Pixel Tanuki? Do you want to see my JoJo opening cover? I made this for like a whole different Discord back in 2016, where I like made a promise. I was like, yeah, if you hit this goal, I'll do a cover of something, and then I did. Where is it? Oh, here it is. It's like one of the first videos. Copy link address. Yes, I live by the wings and die by the sauce. That is okay. The birds who try to seagulls be like. They steal your food on the beach and yeah, okay, cool. Anyway, oh god, do I want to post this? I don't remember what this sounds like. It's been so long. There you go. I don't care. I don't even care. It doesn't even bother me. In fact, I'm proud of this. God, there's so much stuff on my second channel. It's so banger. You know, honestly, I'm more proud of my second channel than my main channel. The second channel has fire content. TBH. What's crazy though is that the second channel was like so obscure and had like 30 subscribers on it. And then I started posting game dev shorts on it, and I posted like 30 game dev shorts, and one of them blew up and I got like a couple thousand subs. And now it feels like I can't even shitpost on my second channel anymore because of how many subs it has on it now. But I guess now that I'm live streaming on it like almost every day and just filling random people's feeds with my bullshit, I feel less like guilty about spamming even more bullshit in their feeds. So, I guess the posting anxiety is fixed via the streaming. The only song I know on piano is the main part of Megalovania. Boo-doo-doo-doo. I think I do that too. It's just like boo 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 boo. It's pretty good. I need to get better at piano because I have a keyboard for music production in my drawer, my desk drawer right now that I've yet to open and use. But if I got good at that, I can use it to make better jingles. I mainly play guitar. Me too! Even though I haven't touched my guitar in forever, I'm a pretty sick at guitar. What I should probably do is record a cover of record myself playing every song I know on guitar, and then finally sell my fucking guitar because it takes up so much space, and then never touch it again. Just have like that recorded evidence that at one point, I could play one thing, and then I can get rid of it for good, and have just like, you know, the video evidence. I could play 2 songs on guitar: Classical Gas and the first opening to Tokyo Ghoul. And I gotta say, my Tokyo Ghoul opening on guitar is actually sick as fuck. Like, I pull it off so good. I play full fingers, classical style. I have like the technique and everything. After years and years of being forced to take guitar classes in high school and middle school, so I really could do like a sick cover. You're babooing at in the start of Megalovania makes me think of that bit from SpongeBob. 6 7 6 7 6 7 6 7 6 7 6 7 6 7. Hey Whitechapel, how's it going? Oh my god, hi! God, now that I recognize your name a bit better, Whitechapel, I see you everywhere. I saw you in like someone else's stream, I forgot their name, and like another stream. I think I saw you in Eris's stream. You're like everywhere. You're like master, like high tier Twitch consumer. And I'm glad I can be a part of your game dev consumption world. I'm back while I watch it. He enjoyed it so much. Yo, sir, hey, what's up? But I don't practice other people's songs much. I know scales and chords and other things. I just fuck around trying to come up with some good riffs. Yeah, play it right now. No balls. I don't have a guitar with strings on it right now. Is the issue, photogenic? I have a guitar, but I need to put strings on it. But if there were strings on it, I would do it. And also I need to refresh myself because it's been a couple of years. But usually if I spend a day relearning the song, I can relearn the song that I lost. Hey Scoil, how's it going? Oh my god, Scoil, what's up? Get it stringed up! Those are off the top of my head. Can't Stop Enter Sandman, back when I detuning my guitar, I never knew meant Glycerine by Bush. Okay. Remix head. I hope you got a good head this time. Oh, the snowman head's pretty good, Scoiled. Pixel Tanuki Games! Sir! Yes, Scoiled, how you doing? Scoiled, did you see that I mentioned you by name in my newest short? Hi, Tanuki. Yeah, Tanuki's here. Oh my god. Update. So is this working or not? What is the error here? I think it's error free. I think I just compile and we're good. Right? Right, terminal? This is gonna... No. I saw some red. Not found in scope. Oh, okay, I have to turn off animations for now. But that's okay. I need Tanuki. Do you not have that many Tanuki emotes? Oh. I saw that! Is this dream? No, this is reality. Is this the real life? Is this fantasy? Oh, here we go. Cannot borrow is mutable. Okay, well, frick you too, then. There we go. Mute player. Yes, it works. I don't know. I'm an artist. How dare you not have any? You really have 0 Tanuki? What? Tanuki? You literally have like a Tanuki in your stream. Just put that in the, put it as an emote. Rebrand happened this year. I wasn't Tanuki coded. Oh, damn. Yeah, you know, that's fair. I also rebranded as a red creature this year too. And so I have no, like, I need more emotes of myself just doing things. Like, I need like a pog emote of my face, of my TV face. And then maybe like, I don't know. What else could I really do? I want to do like a spinny head emote, but that's going to be an animated emote. And I don't have any more slots for animated emotes. Creature. My name being called on Surd YouTube video. Never thought this would happen. That following subtitles are so cool. Thank you. I'm sorry that the video is not going to get a lot of attention because I messed up the intro jingle. But next time you're all gonna see the what I'm capable of. So I gotta say the video is doing more numbers than the first devlog. So sorry, I'm getting like social media number shit. I just like analyzing the algorithms, right? It's so tasty. We gotta focus. I only got like 10 more minutes. This is gonna be a shorter stream, and I don't know if so. This compiled, and now I need to put the player node in here, and so this should be at top. Now I need to assign all of these, including body, animation tree, which is gonna have some issues because I'm done with the animations I need. Mesh, which I think is just a thing I'm gonna transform, which is gonna be armature. Ledge check shape, edge check position. I have all of this BS, which is really scary. Display position, collision shape node. Like, I don't know what any of this is. Blob shadow point I don't need. I definitely don't need that. In fact, let me go back to the player node and see if there's anything that's like marked. Yeah, see, I don't need this. I don't need this. Blob shadow point is definitely not needed. Yeah, get rid of that. I don't know about anything else though. Like, what is all this? Animation tree, complex movement playback, collision shape resource. Oh my god. Oh, that's the resource for this collision shape I need to copy. So let me grab this, make a reference to that on player. So that makes sense. And then I need to recompile again. Okay, creature. Ref for the, do you got a ref? No reason whatsoever. Ref for the Tanuki? Yeah, Pixel Tanuki, you have a ref, right? Give Whitechapel the ref, or I'll fight. What's happening here? I didn't change anything. What do you mean offset camera position is... Was that a thing I deleted? Oh my god, it was. Okay, well, I guess I'll keep that. But this, you gotta go. And then, where is it? Where's Blob Shadow Point? You gotta go. And now we can recompile safely. The issue is that code using that unused variable was also unused. But when I removed the unused variable, it's still using that variable that I deleted. So, Consolidate everything into modules. Oh, that sounds so nice. I need to do that. This is so messy right now. I cannot wait to clean up all this code. I'm gonna do it on the stream. It's gonna be so great. My returning stream is gonna be me cleaning up all this code. It's gonna be so good. I could probably doodle what my little Tunkies look like on the train tomorrow. Oh yeah, nice! Oh hell yeah! So that is what it is. You have to ride a train to work every day. Oh god. Where's sexy fan art Pixel Tanuki games? Was there a sexy... I mean, there was a fan art. You know, all fan art of me is inherently sexy spoiled because I am naked right now. Your art's the only art that wasn't sexy because I was in a maid outfit, which was covered up and nice. Oh, and I remember when I was trying to commission the Whitechapel. My best ref of the OC itself is probably my streams. That is some Rust Switch crap I need to lock in. I mean, you don't have to give me a ref. I'll do some digging. Go check it. Oh no, Tanuki's streams pin is fucking gone because Twitch doesn't like just pin things for the rest of the stream. Does it? I don't know. Do. Okay, sorry, I gotta lock in for a second. Did I compile this already? So I compiled this. Run this. Player, we have all of these assigned except ledge check shape. Ledge check shape, I'm gonna just copy that straight from my other Godot project. But do I even have a version to open that with? I have 4.6.1, I can use that. So let's open 4.6.1. Import. Okay, games. Godot. This one. Open up. Import. Valid version. Oh boy. Godot. You know what sucks is I wanted to do a main channel video covering the updates for Godot 4.7, but Godot 4.7 is going to drop right when I'm in my backpacking trip, so I'm not going to be able to do that video. But whatever. But Pixel Tanuki said drawing something like that last stream. No pressure for Pixel Tanuki at all, just never mind. Well, it's mostly because I haven't had the chance to pin down the Tanuki style for my little Tanuki Sihi. The ones that will run around during stream, like the Frayed Peoples. It's not ready. It's not being cooked that much. I'm gonna drop a vid about the Godot updates for you. Oh, moon. Oh, I will actually fight you if you take that idea from me. No, I'm just kidding. You can do it if you want. You don't even know Godot. You don't even use Godot. You don't even know what it means to be a Godot. I cannot believe you just came in here and be like, yeah. Godot update vid, huh? All right. Oh, this has to be a box shape. 0.5. And then these. Whoa, it was person. The 7th. Welcome in. I can't read chat right now because I need to use my other Godot window for a thing, but I'll be back in a sec. Let's check position. Where's that? Let's check. It's this. It's on player. Okay. No 3D. Ledge check position. And it's at 4.6 for some reason. Oh, because it's where you're checking the ledge above your head. So it needs to be like right around here. Okay. So for me, it's like more like 3.1. About. Maybe 3. Next. And I need to assign that in player. Edge check position. Right? Yes. And then next is display position. Can you show me that in the thing? Display position is underneath armature, and it has a bit more of a complicated thing. So armature, no 3D. What does display position even mean? What the hell? I don't know, but we're just gonna copy what I did here. Can I read what I'm typing? God damn. Display position, transform is going to be set to... can't copy and paste from a different Godot? Come on, 1.6, okay, this needs to be like 3.1. Right? Oh, no, right, I'm wrong. It needs to be way higher because this is scaled. And then it needs to be way further back. It needs to be back by like a metric of... Wait, in this one, it's behind the head. Okay, so I guess I need to do that behind the head too? I don't know what display position does, so I'm kind of concerned. But okay, there we go. About right there. I'm gonna set that in display position. And then collision shape node. So collision shape node is going to be collision shape. Oh, it's literally just a collision shape node. Okay, that's so easy. Boom, there. All right. So now technically, I should have my whole character controller for my other project ready to go when I run this game. It's not gonna work, but we're just gonna oh, there's more. Oh my god. Oh, I forgot there's one thing I need to do. Whenever I do velocity, I have to like divide by delta. So let me find all the places I do that. Set velocity. Here. Oh my god, I do it in so many places. Holy fuck, I do it in so many places. I need to do a I need to do a function for that. Set velocity v vector 3. This needs to be mutable. And then self.body.set velocity is equal to v divided by delta. Like this. This is I'm gonna talk about this on a devlog later. This is ridiculous. Oh, I also need the character body. Crap, well, I can just do this. Boop bop. And then engine needs to be imported. And now I can set velocity here instead of using the character body. So set velocity, we'll do set velocity. I guess I'll do that there, and then there. And then save. Player, you're good, right? I don't see any errors. Okay. Oof, wait, this is the first message I see back. Whoop, PC crash, too many tabs. 10 chow, how many tabs is too many? Oh god, this needs to be, real. God, you're so real for that. All right. Moonwood Games! You want to see Saucy Sir? The betrayal! Yes? You like Saucy Sir Dungeon Squidward? Stop! Ah! Hey, Moon Man. My entire video will just be like, what the hell is this? Where's the variable manager? How do I use this? Oh my god. What's a good emote? No reason, just asking. Oh, Whitechapel. Let me find you a good emote. A good emote. Oh fuck, what does Tanuki have? I think every Twitch stream needs like a good wave, and you need a dance, and I think you need like a head pat and a laugh. So if Tanuki doesn't have one of those 4, you should do one of those 4. That's my professional advice. Honestly, I'd watch a beginner learning Godot from... Oh my god! I cannot wait for Moon to finish this game, because I would kill for some Moonwood content, Moonwood streams of Moon trying to learn Godot. That would be so sick. That'd make fantastic content. Oh my god, like my marketing brain is going crazy. Like Moon should like make shorts about like how I learned Godot as like a complete beginner doesn't know how to code. Blah 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 blah. And here's what I learned today. Oh my god, it'd be so fire. It'd be so fucking fire. The basic high, so I can use it when I join streams like yours. Oh yeah. Okay, so that's literally what I said. You need like a good wave. I need a wave too. The issue is my goobers didn't have arms. They couldn't wave. But now my gooblers can. So I can. Oh yeah, notes taking emote is also great. I have one though. Even though my goobler doesn't have hands, this is my favorite emote. I cooked when I made this emote. The goober and writing notes. Oh my god, it's so clean. I will never be able to replicate that. I did that in one stream on Blender, and it's amazing. All right, I need to hop off. Don't feel good these days. I don't want to ruin the vibe by accidentally saying mental crisis looping maze entrance words. Oh, Scoiled. Okay, I hope you're feeling better soon. Yeah. See you later then. I always enjoy your presence, and you never bring things down too bad. You are very positive. I like that about you, Scoiled. Hee hee hee. But yeah, I guess it's time to test. I have nothing else to like delay. Right at the 2-hour mark. No, Scoiled. Okay, feel better, DM, if you know what I'm talking. Oh, yeah, and then, yeah, a good head pat emote's pretty good too. I think I said that one though. And everything is broken. Okay, cool. What is this? Condition V infinite is true. Oh, V finite, so it is infinite. At some point somewhere, I'm setting my transform to infinite. I don't know how or where or why. Too many errors, ignoring errors up for 1 second. Okay, so that's a lot to digest. So what happened is I hit A to move to the side and it launches me into the distance. So I need to fix that. All right. So update physics. I should have update default. And then update default should set my horizontal speed to something. To max possible horizontal speed, which is, what is it? To 60. Which seems like a very reasonable speed to set, I would think. And then we set the velocity here, which makes sense, and then we move and slide. So I'm not really sure why I exploded like that. Okay. I'm gonna maybe try and reduce my speed a little. Make this, I don't know, it's starting at 0. What could this even be? Is that Fruitsy? Yeah! I like Fruitsy's emotes a lot. Oh, thank you for reaching out. I'm going to sleep, but I'd love to see your artworks a lot. So when I wake up and check, I can see your glorious hearts, no pressure. I know why you exploded like that. Holy long shots! I don't know why I'm exploding. I'm so sad. What if I multiply this speed by like 0.01? And then we run that. And maybe that will be okay. But yeah. Well, I guess Tanuki, yeah, if you're free, I guess you gotta design one of your Tanukis. Send it to Scoiled. If you want to. I guess you're trying to get to sleep, huh? No, I guess, yeah, Tanuki needs to get some sleep. Oh, shit! What the fuck is happening? Yo! Why am I sliding like that? Can I get the, I'm gonna D! Okay, at some point my size is being set to non. Doodle on the train tomorrow morning if you can, though. Yeah! Just be a little patient, Spoiled. We can wait for this. We can wait for the Tanukis. You should, yeah. Join Tanuki's Discord server. And then Tanuki can post the Tanukis in the Tanuki chat, and it'll be Tanuki Central. I don't know why this is happening. This is such a, I have to end stream around this point, but rigid body generator on node that isn't mesh instance 3D. Interesting. See, like, it kind of works. Well, I mean, vertical speed is still crazy somehow. But it does work, and I am schmovin'. I don't know, what increments horizontal speed, by the way? Because I don't see that. Like here, maybe? Update animation properties, that's not being run. This isn't incrementing, refresh horizontal speed. This is something. Then there's, oh yeah, here we go. We have some stuff for incrementing down here. Update horizontal movement. This is all good and isolated. But, I don't know, this is tough. Because cannot go the other way? Why can't I move? And then eventually I just start falling so far that I die. Oh boy. Welp! Oh, sleepy kitty cat. Oh wait, I thought you were saying you're going to sleep. So everyone's going to sleep. Squirrel's going to sleep. Tanuki's going to sleep. I'm going to sleep right now because I'm going to end stream here. I don't really have, I don't think I can fix this. I said I was going to do a 2-hour stream, so I'm going to end it here. I'm sorry I'm not going to go long enough to raid you, Moon, but we shall raid someone very fast, real quick. But yeah, thank you everyone for coming on by. I'm going to go suffer for this whole week, but I'm glad we could hang out one last time before that happens. I wish I could have at least added legend. Wait. What if I go to the right? What if I move to the right and then I jump? Like, this will block me and then I'll jump. Oh, jump isn't working. What is, I'm like on the space, there's no friction. Ah! Okay, all right, well, thank you for streams. I'm so sorry, Whitechapel. I'll be back in a week and we'll have a proper stream with proper success and proper things happening. But yeah, does anyone have any raid suggestions that you'd like to do? Oh, hey, Random Logic. You know, Random Logic's raided me a couple times. Let's do Random Logic. Start raid. Boo-boo-da-boo-da-boo-boo. I'm sorry, I hear speaking, but y'all, let's have to accept your fate. We're going to Random Logic. Whoa. All right, raid now. Anyway, see y'all later.